Hi everybody, it's Tereese. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm here to share a project for Saturday Morning Makes, hosted by Jill Norwood. If you follow me on Instagram, I've shared my first Crafty Dare for 2022, and it's these little mini postcards. So my Saturday morning makes are these envelopes that I made to house these little cards. And I used paper from Hobby Lobby. I think this is from Noteworthy. I got it on sale at Hobby Lobby. So I can share what I did. I used a Hampton Art stamp set I've had in my stash forever. I think I'm just going to take them off of this because it's so flimsy. And I don't have the packaging anymore. So I just hope I don't lose these. So yeah, they're from Hampton Arts. I don't think you can find them. I bought this set from Tuesday Morning a couple years ago. And then I sewed around the card. I added these prim hearts. This is an old Sizzix die I had in my stash. I used this punch from Fiskars. This is an old punch. I added some trims. Our Crafty Dares were hearts, sewing thread, and foil. So I sewed it around for my sewing thread. Here's my hearts. The foil is actually aluminum foil because I don't have any machine that would do foiling, or paper with foiling. My room is such a mess, so I can't find anything. But I stamped the postcard on here, postcard stamp. I used Tim Holtz heart charm and a garment pin. And I just love how it turned out. I love the string hanging when I sewed it together. And I got this idea from a Trace of Sparkle, I think. Oh my god. I'll have her link down below, her actual video that she was making these little mini postcards, and I just fell in love with them, and I wanted to make some for myself. So thanks for the inspiration, Jen. Okay, so with the card, I made these envelopes, and these are just from the, We Are Memory Keepers envelope maker, and I added some trim, and this is a wooden piece from the Dollar Tree this year. Yeah, and that was it. I'm gonna send these off to some crafty friends and hope they like them. So that is my Crafty Dare and my Saturday morning makes for this new year. I'm so happy having crafted in over a month, so hopefully these Crafty Dares and Saturday morning makes will get me back into crafting. I've been working so much lately. It's just been so crazy, and with all that's going on, I just haven't had time to craft, and I hope this year I'm going to make time. So I want to thank everybody for stopping by today, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.